Welcome to Math Challenge 494. In Math Challenge 494, we have a circle, center is O. The circle center is O. From O, we have two line segments mutually perpendicular. This horizontal line segment 3.75 units and the vertical line segment 5 units. And we have to find the radius of the circle. These two lines are perpendicular to each other. They are at right angles. So the line segments length 3.75 and 5 units. And we have to find the radius of the circle. Math Challenge 494 for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests. And all of you, anyone from anywhere in the world, can join us for free live online classes. We will have live classes where you can interact, and anyone from anywhere in the world can join us, and all students are welcome, all job seekers are welcome. In fact, anyone and everyone anywhere in the world can join us for live classes. Math Challenge 494 for all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests for school students, for those preparing for job-oriented competitive examinations like railways, banking, public service commission, TET, staff selection commission, any exam, and also school students. And you can join us absolutely free of charge, all live classes. So Math Challenge 494, we have to find the radius of the circle, the O point. The point O is a center, and there are two line segments, the length 3.75 and the length 5 units. And let us find the radius of the circle. Very easy. It will take only a few seconds. Now extend the line as shown. Extend the line. See, we have shown by different colors. From O, we are extending this to A, and from here, we are extending it to B, and downwards, we are extending it to Q. And let the intersecting point be M. The point where the two lines cut each other is M. So from M horizontally, we extend it to A, and from M, we extend it to B. And vertically, we are extending this point M, that is the line PM to Q. So vertically, we are extending from M to Q. Horizontally, we are extending up to A on the left side and B on the right side, so that AOB is the diameter, O is the center, AOB is the diameter, and PQ is a chord. PQ is a chord and AOB is the diameter, extending the line. See how we are extending the line. From M, MO is extended to A. Here OM is extended to B. Here PM vertically is extended to Q, getting AB as the diameter and PQ as the chord. So extend the lines as shown. We have shown by different colors for your convenience. So after extending, AB is the diameter, that is 2R. R is the radius, so the diameter will be 2 times the radius. OA, from O to A, you can see that it is radius. From O to B is also radius. O is the center. O is the center. OA is the radius and OB is also radius. So the value of AM from A to M will be radius plus 3.75. From A to M, from A to O, that is R radius. From O to M, it is 3.75. Total AM will be radius plus 3.75. B to M, that is the full radius minus 3.75. Full radius OB minus this part 3.75. So from B to M, it will be radius minus 3.75, and from A to M, it is radius plus 3.75. From point A to point M, radius, the red line, plus 3.75, and from B to M, the blue line, it is the radius minus 3.75, and this diameter will bisect the line PQ, means PM will be equal to MQ. Because this line is passing through the center, the two halves should be equal. So PM is 5, so QM is also 5, right? Because it is the radius or the diameter, that is line passing through the center. The part PM is 5 units. So the part QM, the part below, this also should be 5 units because the horizontal line bisects the vertical line. The horizontal line bisects the vertical line because it passes through the center. The horizontal line passes through the center. So the vertical line is bisected. So P to M 5 units. So Q to M also 5 units. So we got A to M R plus 3.75, radius plus 3.75, B to M R minus 3.75, PQ, that is 5, PM is 5 and QM is 5. PQ is 10 actually, 10, that is bisected, 5 and 5. Now by the property of intersecting chords, we have R plus 3.75 into R minus 3.75 equal to 5 into 5. The product of the two segments horizontal is equal to the product of the two segments vertical. Horizontal segments, right? R plus 3.75 and R minus 3.75 is equal to vertical segments, product of vertical segments 5 into 5. So we get, using that A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square, R square minus 3.75 square is equal to 5 square. That is R square minus, if you multiply 3.75 by 3.75, you'll get 14.065. And on the right side, 5 square is 25. So 14.065 transposed to the right side, minus will become plus. So R square will be 25 plus 14.065. 25 and 14, 39. 39.065. So the value of R will be square root of 39.065, that gives you 6.25. Square root of 39.065 giving you 6.25. That is the radius of the circle. That is the radius of the circle. So what we did, product of intersecting chord, that two horizontal segments R plus 3.75 and R minus 3.75, that is AM and BM, the product should be equal to the two vertical segments PM into QM. So we get this AM, that is R plus 3.75 into BM R minus 3.75, PM into QM 5 into 5, and calculating we are getting R square as 39.065 and R equal to 6.25 units. That is the radius of the circle required. The radius is 6.25 units of length. So that was math challenge 494. And as we said, all school students and all job seekers preparing for competitive examinations, in fact, anyone in the world, even if you are interested in math, anyone in the world can join us absolutely free of charge. Absolutely free of charge. You can join our online classes, live sessions, and also view our recorded lectures. So in addition to our recorded videos, you can also join our classes live, absolutely free of cost. Contact us and we will be keeping you informed of all the live classes schedules. So we will come back again. Till then, thank you and goodbye.